Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Naila Zahra Husna. At this chance, I wanna invite all of you to learn about simple sentence together with me. And yeah, without any further ado, let's go to the material. As I said before, that we will learn about simple sentence in basic writing skill. Jadi dalam bahasa Indonesia, simple sentence adalah kalimat sederhana. But before we learn about simple sentence, we have to know that there are 4 kinds of sentences in writing concern. The first is simple sentence. The second is compound sentence. The third is complex sentence, and the last is compound complex sentence. Yeah. What is simple sentence? Apa itu kalimat sederhana? Simple sentence is a sentence that only has an independent clause. Atau kalimat sederhana adalah kalimat yang hanya memiliki satu klausa independen. Dan apa itu independent clause? What is independent clause? Independent clause is a group of words that contain subject, verb, and another component to form a complete thought. Jadi kalimat independen atau klausa independen ini adalah kalimat yang mengandung subjek, verb, dan komponen lain untuk membentuk suatu pemikiran yang utuh. Dan independent clause ini doesn't need another sentence to complete the thought because it can complete the thought by itself. Jadi klausa independen ini adalah kalimat yang bisa berdiri sendiri tanpa membutuhkan kalimat lain untuk menyempurnakan atau membentuk sebuah pemikiran. There are rules of simple sentences that we have to know. In simple sentences, both of subject and verb are allowed to be compound. Dalam simple sentence, baik itu subjek dan verb diperbolehkan dalam bentuk kombinasi. Meski begitu, what is important is that there is only one subject-verb combination in a sentence. Yang paling penting adalah dalam simple sentence ini hanya diperbolehkan ada satu kombinasi dari subject dan verb. And there is no commas are used in it. Jadi dalam simple sentence ini, seperti yang sudah saya jelaskan sebelumnya, bahwa kalimat independen itu tidak memerlukan kalimat tambahan untuk membentuk suatu pemikiran yang utuh. Jadi dia tidak memerlukan koma untuk digunakan di dalamnya. And there are some formulas of subject-verb combination. There are 4. The first is SV, simple subject with simple verb. Di sini ada satu subjek dan satu verb. And the second is SSV, compound subject, 2 subjek with simple verb dengan satu verb. And the third is SVV, simple subject with compound verb. Satu subjek dengan kata kerja gabungan. And the last is SSVV or compound subject with compound verb. Baik itu subjek maupun verb dalam bentuk kombinasi. Yeah, there are some examples, but before we know it, we have to note that subjects are being bold marked and verbs are being italic marked. Jadi di sini akan ada contoh dari keempat formula di atas. Tapi sebelum itu, mari kita perhatikan bahwa subjek akan tertulis bercetak tebal dan kata kerja akan bercetak miring, jadi kita akan mudah untuk mengidentifikasi seperti formula yang sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya. The first is Almira speaks Japanese well. Here, Almira as a subject are being bold marked. Di sini kita mengikuti rules dari formula yang pertama, yakni Almira sebagai simple subject dan speak sebagai simple verb. Yang kedua, second is Zayan and I are watching movie. In the second formulas, it's written as compound subject with simple verb. So, di sini ada dua subjek, yaitu Zayan dan saya, dengan satu kata kerja, that is are watching. And the third is SVV simple subject with compound verb. Satu subjek dengan dua pekerjaan. The first is the subject is ibhaj and the verbs are is and has. Is a doctor and has a good career. And the last is SSV compound subject with compound verb. Kombinasi dari dua subjek dan dua kata kerja. Haidar dan Tufail sebagai compound subject, clean and washed sebagai compound verb. Haidar and Tufail cleaned and washed Papa's car. Okay, I will show another examples from SV form. Okay. Gina bought a new necklace. Firman is drinking a cup of coffee. Part of the sentence, it has only one subject and one verb in every sentence. The second is SVV. Simple subject, Vishnu and Alea, with compound verb. Vishnu takes and brings my look cake. Takes and brings. And Alea moved and left her motherland. The third is SSV. Kalea and Bjorka are watching Doraemon the movie. There are compound subjects, Kalea and Bjorka, Liliana and Towie, and a simple verb, are watching and has winning. And the last is SSVV. Tiara and I washed and cut a basket of enoki mushroom. Farah and Alvin were seasoning and cooking a bowl of beef. There are compound subject and compound verb. Tiara and I as compound subject, washed and cut as compound verb. Farah and Alvin as compound subject, were seasoning and cooking is the compound verb. Okay, let's do practice to identify the sentences. Is the sentence include two into simple sentences? The first sentence, kalimat pertama ini, Nabil broke my doll, then Alvan threw it to the trash. Jadi dalam kalimat ini, apakah termasuk simple sentence? Jawabannya adalah tidak. No. Di sini Y dan N sebagai singkatan dari yes or no. Seperti yang sudah saya bilang sebelumnya bahwa dalam simple sentence itu tidak diperbolehkan ada koma. Dan di sini di kalimat Nabil broke my doll, then Alvan threw it to the trash, terdapat dua kombinasi subject dan verb. Kombinasi pertama adalah Nabil broke dan kombinasi kedua Alvan threw. Jadi ini bukan merupakan kalimat sederhana. Kalimat kedua, Gibran and Fatih are having badminton match with Jevin and Raka. Jawabannya adalah yes. Kalimat ini include two simple sentences because it has only one verb combination with formulas compound subject with simple verb. Gibran and Fatih sebagai compound subject dan are having badminton sebagai verb. Are having-nya are-nya aja. And the third is my brother was not a pilot. Di sini jawabannya adalah yes, because it has only one subject verb combination. Simple verb with simple subject. My brother and was not. The fourth is all of my classmates are preparing and planning a birthday surprise. Jawabannya adalah yes, because it has only one verb combination with formula simple subject with compound sentences. Compound verb. Preparing and planning sebagai compound verb dan all of my classmates sebagai simple subject. And the last is Sabiru and Samira play hide and seek, but forget to invite Shirin to join with them. Jawabannya adalah tidak, because it is same with the first sentence. It has commas here and there are two verb subject combination. The first is Sabiru and Samira play hide and seek, and the last is but forget to invite Shirin to join with them. Okay, that's all the material. It's presented by Naila Zara Husna from English Educational 2019 from KIJ Ahmad Wahab Hasbullah University Jombang. Okay, that's all the material from me. I wish it will be useful to help you to learn about simple sentence. I'm sorry for the single mistake I've made. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.